Hello everyone. Welcome to Chongbian's kitchen. When we fry string beans, some people blanch them, some fry them, and some cook them directly. In fact, the nutrition of string beans is lost after blanching. If fried directly, it's often unhealthy, and when cooked without preparation, it may not be easy to soften. Today, I will share with you a very delicious and healthy recipe for fried string beans. First, prepare a handful of string beans and put them in a basin. Then pour water over the string beans and wash them thoroughly to clean the dust on their surface. After cleaning, take them out of the water and place them on a chopping board. Cut off the head and tail of the string beans, then cut them into long pieces. Once all are cut, put them in a bowl. Pour in a spoonful of salt, then pour back the water used to soak the string beans. Mix everything with your hands and soak the string beans in the salt water for 10 minutes. This helps remove any pesticide residue on the surface. After soaking, set aside for later use. Next, prepare a piece of pork belly and cut it into thin slices. Adding a bit of pork belly when frying the string beans enhances the flavor. After cutting, place it in a bowl for later use. Now prepare a few cloves of garlic and slice them thinly, and finally chop them into minced garlic. Prepare a piece of ginger and slice it thinly as well. Then cut into strips and mince finely. Chop a few green onions into small pieces and place them on a plate. Next, prepare a few millet peppers and cut them into small circles. Add them to the plate with the green onion and ginger. Let's now make the sauce. Pour 2 tablespoons of soy sauce into a bowl, followed by a spoonful of oyster sauce, a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of chicken essence, and a spoonful of sugar. Stir everything well with a spoon until the sauce is fully dissolved. Set aside for later. By now, the string beans have finished soaking. Rinse them again, then take them out of the water and place them in a bowl. Add a bit of cooking oil and stir with chopsticks. Adding oil at this stage helps retain the green color of the string beans, locks in moisture, and keeps them tender. It also prevents them from turning black or yellow after cooking. Once mixed, set aside. Boil water in a pot in advance, then pour in the string beans. Spread them evenly with chopsticks so they cook uniformly. Cover the lid and steam on high heat for 3 minutes. When time is up, open the lid. Wow, look at that color. Bright green and very tender, not yellow at all. Remove the string beans and place them in a large bowl. Heat another pan, pour in a little cooking oil, then add the pork belly to the hot oil. Stir fry on high heat, allowing the fat to render out. This way, the pork belly becomes more fragrant and less greasy. Dear friends, I've already shared hundreds of home cooking tutorials in a row. I haven't yet received your like and subscribe. If today's video helped you, please give me one. Thank you very much. Once the pork belly turns slightly golden, add the green onion, ginger, garlic, and millet pepper. Continue stir-frying to release the aroma and spiciness of the ingredients. Then, pour in the string beans. Stir-fry everything evenly. Since the string beans were already steamed, you don't need to cook them for too long. Now pour in the prepared sauce and stir-fry over high heat. Mix everything well so the seasonings fully coat the ingredients. The string beans cooked this way are crisp, green, and tender, visually appetizing and flavorful. Once everything is well combined, turn off the heat and transfer to a plate. These string beans are not only colorful and fragrant, but also nutritious and truly delicious. All right, if you like it, give it a try. That's all for today's video. See you next time.